Welcome to Golden Aluminum, a Colorado institution born out of the Coors Brewing Company almost 30 years ago and rising to the greatest heights of aluminum manufacturing today. Here you'll find something beyond the ordinary.
Your aluminum needs might be large or small or maybe commercially unique. The big operators may deem your demands unimportant, but Golden Aluminum considers you our #1 customer. Our mini mill is the most efficient and cost-effective system in the industry. As you travel along with us through this specialized plant, take note of the many ways we save you time and money, even while recycling and making use of leftover materials. We've mastered the process in the following steps. We begin by breaking up baled used beverage containers, or UBCs, and send them through our uniquely designed shredding system. This system cuts the UBCs into pieces, which are just the right uniform size. The shredder's rotary knives are designed to expose the inner surface of the cans before entering our delacquering process. The delacquering furnace heats the shredded components to over 1,000 degrees to remove any residual moisture and any of the previous coatings that are present.
We're careful to incinerate any leftover gases to prevent pollution, and the surplus heat is returned to the kiln because we don't believe in waste. This attention to material usage saves you money.
While the shredded cans are still hot from delacquering, we feed them into a melting furnace where they are blended with pure aluminum and alloying agents depending on the customer's requirements. Alloying is what allows aluminum to be used in a wide variety of applications. Moving forward, the molten aluminum is now a searing 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, impurities have risen to the surface of the bath with the aid of the salt flux that was added during shredding. The impurities, or dross, are skimmed from the molten bath.
The highly specialized and patented alloy 5017 was developed at Golden Aluminum and utilizes up to 95% UBCs. It is arguably the most cost-effective aluminum alloy on the market today. This alloy was originally developed here as a mandate from Coors Brewing Company to help in the recycling of aluminum.
Basically, it's a used beverage container that is processed and added to from an alloying aspect, so it can be reused indefinitely. The 5017 alloy was developed and designed at this plant and is a certified Aluminum Association alloy. Today we are continuing this initiative by introducing our new Infinity series of alloys. These alloys are designed specifically to meet our customers' packaging needs while also providing them the ability to promote and grow sustainable choices in the packaging marketplace. Our new Infinity series is made up of alloys that use a minimum of 60% and up to 90% recycled material in their production. These alloys are designed to replace current alloys in the marketplace that are severely limited in their ability to use recycled material in this process. We test to show what is standard, what we're currently burning, and the coil number. Looking at test data, we can see a correct alloy chemistry and if the alloy is on grade. When comparing this with our shipping specifications from the client, we know that it is a good coil and on grade. Golden Aluminum is ISO 9002 certified, a certification program that helps ensure our customers get what they're looking for. We set the highest standards for ourselves because we aim to be the best in the industry. The liquid aluminum then flows into cleaning units of the molten metal treatment facility where a special blend of gases are injected to extract any last excess impurities.
All through these steps, we are taking samples and testing for chemical composition in order that we meet the stringent standards we insist upon.
The liquid aluminum now arrives at the most technologically advanced continuous caster in the world, the Launer block caster. Here, we use chilling blocks to maintain a consistent solidification rate as the product travels through the caster. This gives our aluminum uniform structure while achieving the most demanding applications of aluminum sheet, including rigid container sheet. The continuous slab then reaches our hot rolling mill at 3/4 inch thickness. Exiting, it reduces the aluminum sheet to less than 1/8 of an inch. We monitor the temperature and the surface quality on a constant basis. But we're not done yet. Next is the cold mill. Here, the aluminum sheet is finished in gauges anywhere from just under 6/1000ths of an inch up to 32/1000ths of an inch, within tolerances of plus or minus 2/10,000ths of an inch. Progressing, the annealing furnace can prepare or finish the sheet for final required properties.
This is a critical point where we measure the precise temperature, atmosphere, and timing of the annealing cycle within the specified limits of the metallurgical properties designated by you, our client. By doing this, we assure absolute consistency in subsequent operations.
We also have the most loyal and devoted employees who care about improving the process and delivering the highest quality products. Golden Aluminum takes pride in our employees. They're great problem solvers and do an outstanding job when it comes to solving issues and problems that occur with machinery and equipment. Our employees are our best resource because of their experience when it comes to quality and safety. After another round of quality control, it's on to the finishing process. Your aluminum will undergo between 1 and 4 additional steps depending on its final use. Tension leveling flattens and levels the sheet according to your exact needs. The 4-mile-long coils are then moved to the coating line, cleaned and coated with both standard and FDA-approved coatings for use in all types of food and beverage applications. Once the coatings are applied, they are cured and then dried in a 125-foot-long oven. Only air is allowed to come into contact with the aluminum sheet at this point.
Want a unique color that matches your logo or allows your product to stand out from competitors? Golden Aluminum can produce virtually any color you demand, no matter the product. We aim to please.
Yeah, I'm Mark Lazier with G3 Enterprises, which is a division of Gallo, and we're here today coating aluminum coils that will eventually become wine caps. And one of the reasons why we like to use Golden Aluminum is the partnership that they've developed with us. Color is important to us, and Golden allows us to come here like I am today, bring my tools, bring my samples, so that when we're actually looking at these flat sheet coils before they become caps, it's what we want. And we really appreciate the fact that they allow us in here to get precisely what we want.
The aluminum is then water quenched, and if required, a final coating of food-grade wax is applied. If your product doesn't require coating, we can provide an e-clean process to super clean your coils, removing any residual rolling oils. The aluminum sheet is then slit into any width you want, from 1 inch to 28.5 inches. You name it, our experienced and loyal employees can make it. Aluminum for tab stock, food and other provisional containers, window blinds, manufactured circuit boards, and make it happen fast.
The turnarounds are marvelous. You have to understand, when you talk about a niche market and we talk about wine, when a wine is ready to bottle, the wine is ready to go, so we have to have caps. We have to have a way to close those bottles on time, and Golden helps us do that.
How do we do it? Our continuous casting mini mill is simply more efficient than our competitors. Our operations run round the clock 24/7. We have a complete on-site service that reduces downtime. We never stop producing your product, which allows us to deliver your order in record time, each time.
All the while, our quality control experts check all dimensions of metallurgical properties, as well as thickness of coatings and lubricants, to make sure everything meets your requirements and our rigid standards. There isn't a higher standard in the industry when it comes to efficiency and quality. Golden Aluminum wouldn't have it any other way.